Benefits of green cleaning and why you should switch today. Are you thinking of switching to green cleaning methods? If so, you have landed on the right page. We will help you make this decision by looking at the benefits of green cleaning. Green cleaning methods are also eco-friendly, as they don't use toxic chemicals or substances. If you stop using chemicals, you can enjoy loads of benefits. Let's discuss some benefits of green cleaning for homeowners without further ado. Number 1. Ensure the safety of your home. First of all, it is essential to keep in mind that conventional cleaning products that contain chemicals are not safe. This product may contain dangerous chemicals such as ammonia and chlorine bleach. The mixture of these chemicals can be pretty dangerous. If you have small kids and pets in your house, they are more vulnerable to these toxic chemicals. Apart from this, household cleaning products are on the list of top 10 things that may trigger poison exposure in the States. Therefore, if you want to be on the safe side, we suggest that you reduce your exposure to these chemicals. You need to switch to green cleaning products, as they are eco-friendly and safe for your family members and pets. Number 2. Protect your health. You may want to switch to green cleaning products to protect your health. Unlike traditional cleaning products, eco-friendly products don't involve any health risks for your family or pets. Therefore, you won't have to tolerate symptoms such as headaches, skin rashes, sneezing, and cough. In addition, you won't have to endure the symptoms as soon as you stop using these products. Conventional cleaning products contain hazardous chemicals, such as endocrine disruptors, teratogens, mutagens, neurotoxins, and carcinogens, to name a few. Therefore, it is better to replace these products with natural eco-friendly ones. Number 3. Protect your indoor air. According to experts, traditional cleaning products can elevate indoor air pollution levels. For example, volatile organic compounds, aka VOCs, are linked with many health problems involving your central nervous system, kidneys, and liver. The problem with these chemicals is that they become part of the air for a long time. On the other hand, if you want to keep your indoor air free of harmful particles and gases, we suggest you switch to green cleaning products. With this approach, you can avoid a lot of respiratory health issues. Number 4. Protect the environment. If you go for eco-friendly cleaning products, you can protect your environment. The good news is that green cleaning products are made based on sustainable manufacturing practices. Moreover, the ingredients are natural, which is why they are safe and non-toxic. In addition, the ingredients are biodegradable and don't harm the environment. By contrast, most conventional cleaning products are full of ingredients that may be non-biodegradable, hazardous, and toxic. Moreover, most of these products use non-renewable sources such as petroleum. Therefore, they may have an adverse impact on the ecosystem of Earth. Number 5. Save money. If you want to reduce the burden on your pocket, you can use green cleaning products. The good news is that these eco-friendly all-purpose cleaners are multifunctional. Therefore, you don't have to purchase products to clean your house. An increasing number of manufacturers are making eco-friendly cleaning products. And the beauty is that these products are competitively priced. As a matter of fact, some of these products are cheaper than traditional cleaning products. So, you can save plenty of money if you switch to green cleaning. Number 6. Make cleaning easier. Using a few products to cover most of your cleaning needs is easier than maintaining an arsenal of chemical-based products. For instance, if you want to clean your toilet bowl and windows and remove mold and mildew, you can use vinegar only. In most cases, you can take care of multiple cleaning jobs without using chemical-based products. Apart from this, You won't have to worry about bleach stains on your expensive clothing if you go for a green cleaning product. So, you will be on the safe side at all times. Number 7. Boost your community. Some manufacturers of eco-friendly products give back to their community. For example, they gave part of their profits to non-profit organizations to bring about educational, environmental, and social changes in the country. Therefore, you may want to purchase products from these manufacturers to give back to your community. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.